Yo, what's up, everybody? We're here back with another episode at the garage. Zicky Brother Performance getting at ya. So, we got some stuff in. We got a little update for you guys. And we're going to show you some of the stuff we've done. So, let's get right to it. So we got some of the hydroboost lines on. I accommodated the stock lines. I got them ran. Not everything's finished and hooked up yet, but for the most part, they are. We got that bracket. Stock bracket we had to drill into the frame to make it work, but that's what it's looking like. Doesn't look too bad. Got the steering reservoir on, and then we got these seals for the rack for the pressure line from the hydroboost to the pump. Got those in. We're gonna put them on. Got that vacuum hose on. Gotta finish hooking up the hoses to the steering cooler. But this is what it's looking like under here. Still gotta put the rack on. And then we've been doing a whole bunch of wiring. We got the steering column back on. Now I'll be running a different steering wheel down the road, but this will do for now. Got the steering wheel on. Some of the control pack wiring wired up. And you can see right there, a couple of the wires. Red and green to the black and green, and red and blue to the white with pink. Ground it out. Gonna ground out the neutral safety switch. And then we wired the fuel pump up. To there, and then to the fuel pump. So that's just fuel pump safety. We gotta finish wiring up the battery. Then we could start checking power. Got the speed dial wired in. We had to get some wiring stuff. Like always, you need some stuff every time you move on to the next step. Never fails. Just got back from the store so I could start finishing up. Gotta extend the pedal plug. So that will reach. Gotta add a fuse adapter for the reverse lockout solenoid so we get that working. What else do we got going on? A whole bunch of stuff. But that's where we're at right now. Soon we're about to be testing power after I finish hooking up the battery, checking some of the wiring over, and we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, keep tuning in. Hope you like what you're seeing. Let me know what you want to see, and we're gonna get back to it here. Peace out.